content creator and your guide into the world of live streaming. As a content creator, I have had the opportunity to explore different possibilities of live broadcasting using OneStream Live. So I'm here to share my knowledge, tips, and tricks with you all. Now let me elaborate a bit on OneStream Live. OneStream Live is an amazingly user-friendly platform that allows you to go live on up to 45 social media platforms and web simultaneously. Now, you must be wondering why use a live streaming platform like OneStream Live in the first place. So let me quickly answer that for you. You get to multi-stream your live stream on up to 45 social media platforms and web simultaneously if you use OneStream Live. Then you get to stream high-quality videos, whether it be pre-recorded ones or even if you go live in real time. You can also track your analytics and prevent any technical hiccups or hitches that might occur if you go live manually, let's say. And you can also brand your live streams to promote your brand. All these solutions are provided by OneStream Live. So let me give you a quick walkthrough of what OneStream Live is all about. Once you've successfully entered the OneStream Live web application, there will be 3 live streaming options that will be displayed. The first 2 options are for real-time streaming, while the third option is for pre-recorded streaming. Now let's look into the options. The first option is our OneStream Studio, while the second option is our RTMP encoded streaming or third-party encoded streaming. The third option is our pre-recorded streaming. Now let's look into the first option. OneStream Live Studio is a robust browser-based live streaming product that enables you to create live sessions and invite multiple guests. It is also highly customizable. That means that you can add various virtual backgrounds. You can play around with different themes and layouts. You can also add your display names and titles. And you can also record your sessions, save them to your OneStream Live storage, or save them to your desired cloud storages. You can multi-stream your studio sessions on up to 45 social media platforms as well. Now let's look into the studio in detail. You can check your video and audio connections from here and then click on Enter Studio. Once you've successfully entered your OneStream Live Studio session, you can invite your guests by clicking on the Invite Guest button from here and then sharing this link with them. You can also go a step further and click on the Customize Your Invite Link button and curate your own invite link. You can also play around with different layouts. These could be in form of the landscape mode or these could be in form of a portrait mode. Portrait mode layouts are highly recommended for social media platforms that support portrait streaming like Instagram and TikTok. OneStream Live Studio offers an easy and efficient way to record your live studio sessions. You can just click on this button and record your live studio sessions. These recordings can be saved onto your OneStream Live storage or the cloud storage of your desire. You can further design or brand your live studio session by clicking on the Design button from here, and then you can play around with different primary and secondary theme colors. You can choose a font type, and you can also choose a style. You can change your display name and title settings from here. You can choose whether you want to show the display names from here or if you want to show the titles or not, and at what positions do you want to show them. You can also upload or use a logo that has been pre-uploaded on OneStream Live Studio from here. You can add a background that best suits your brand by clicking on this option. This background can be in form of a video, or it could be an audio background, or it could be in form of an image. You can also add various overlays by clicking this option. You can further brand your live streams by adding banners and tickers. Then you also get the option to connect your live chat from here. This gives you a gateway to interact with your audiences or your viewers in real time. You can also add intervals, intros, and outros by clicking this media option from here. And if you want to add an external media onto your live stream, then you choose the share option from here. This external media option could be in form of an RTMP source. It could be an image, it could be a video, or you can also share your own screen. Finally, if you want to live stream your studio sessions on up to 45 social media platforms, you simply need to click on Go Live button from here and then choose your social platforms. And that is how you live stream through our OneStream Live Studio. The second way to live stream in real time is by using the external RTMP encoder option from here. You can add in your live stream source to your third-party encoder and then integrate that encoder with OneStream Live. Key integrations include OBS, XSplit, Wirecast, Streamlabs, Ecamm, and Zoom. You now have the option to obtain a unique stream key that only remains unique for one event and then expires. For that, you can click on the Create Stream option from here, click on Connect OBS and Zoom, etc. option, add in your stream details and click on Next. Choose the social platform that you intend to go live on, and then click on Get RTMP Settings. This is how you obtain the unique stream key and server URL. If you want to obtain a permanent stream key, then you would need to go back to your OneStream Live dashboard and simply click on the RTMP encoder option. As the name suggests, the permanent stream key remains consistent and does not change, and it is perfect for events that are to reoccur. Live streaming through this option is super simple. You need to check your server URL and stream key settings first. You need to choose a server URL that is closest to your location. If you do not know which one to choose, then you can keep it on auto detect. The next step would include copying the server URL and copying the stream key and ingesting it to your third-party encoder. Once you've successfully ingested the server URL and stream key onto your third-party encoder, you can initiate the stream from that encoder and monitor the stream from your OneStream Live RTMP dashboard. And that is all about live streaming in real time. Now let's look into the last and the most widely used option. This is the option of pre-recorded streaming. This option allows you to upload, schedule, and multi-stream your recorded videos at a given date and time. Now let's look into some key features of this method. You need to click on the upload options from here. You can choose whether you want to upload a video using your device. You can upload a video from your OneStream storage, or you can also upload any video from your desired cloud storages. For this purpose, we're just going to choose OneStream storage and choose any video of our choice. Once you've successfully entered the scheduling window, there are several key features that you will be able to use. The first key feature that we're going to talk about is the playlist. You can click on the Create Playlist button from here. And then you can curate your own playlist by choosing various videos. Click on Proceed. And you can also change the order that you want to play them in. The next key feature that we're going to talk about is how you can add your captions and subtitles to your pre-recorded video. You need to click on this option from right here and then click on Captions/Subtitles. You will be given two options. You can import an SRT file from your device, or you can manually add your captions to the video. You can loop or replay your video by choosing this option right here. However, you need to note that the number of loops would depend on the subscription plan that you have purchased and the time limit for pre-recorded streaming that it allows. Now it's time to add in your stream details. You can add in your title, your description, and some tags. You can also choose from titles and descriptions you've previously added. Under the advanced settings, you get several more options like the VOD option, the DVR option, the 180 or 360 degree option, and allowed for kids option. Under this section, you can choose a social platform that you intend to go live on and also check their privacy settings from here. Next, you can add in some engaging thumbnails by clicking on the Select Thumbnail option. You can upload a custom thumbnail of your choice. You can choose a thumbnail from the video. You can also choose various thumbnails from Unsplash. You can choose to schedule the live stream for later by checking this box. And you can also play around with different advanced scheduling options. You can choose whether you want to schedule the video once, you can schedule it again, you can republish it regularly with different time intervals, or you can set it for consecutive streaming. Now you simply need to click on Schedule Stream. and your live stream is scheduled to go live at the given date and time. The last product of OneStream Live that we are going to discuss and you must keep an eye out for is the hosted live page. In order to access the hosted live page, you simply need to go to the left sidebar and click on the hosted live pages option. You now need to click on the create hosted live page button and click on create and continue. Once your hosted live page has been successfully created, you can check various customization options like the page content, the page layout, and the player settings. Hosted live pages would best serve the purpose of those users who do not have their own website but want to use personalized landing pages. Now they do not need to get into the hustle of hosting or purchasing an external domain. Whether your video is pre-recorded or it is streaming in real time, you can customize your page and start streaming in a flash. Once you're done playing around with different customization options, you need to publish your page. In order to live stream on it, you need to click on this option here and then click on Publish. After your page has been successfully published, you can live stream without any hassle. And that is how your live stream would appear on your hosted live page. You can also connect your chat and interact with your audience. And that's pretty much all about OneStream Live, the most robust and stable live streaming platform out there in the market. Now Jade will discuss some practical use cases and success stories of OneStream Live so you can figure out where your live streaming needs are met best.
Guys, that was such an elaborate walkthrough of OneStream Live. Thank you so much, Eva. That was incredible. A very warm welcome to everybody who's watching me today. This is Jade from OneStream Live, and you might have seen my face around if you're following us on our social accounts. And if you're not, this is your cue to go check out OneStream Live social handles right now. Now, if you're watching this right now, you probably have enough product knowledge on OneStream Live. You know exactly what we are and what we're offering. If you're from the streaming industry, you might have heard about all the other platforms who are offering similar or same services like us. So the question revolving in your head must be, why OneStream Live? And that is what I'm going to answer for you. Now, I can sit here the entire day and talk about how great OneStream Live is as a platform because, I mean, it's my go-to platform and I've been using it for, well, as long as I can remember. So, of course, I love it, but this is about getting you to like OneStream Live. So why should you do that? Let's dive into that. Have you noticed that every single time you're about to go shopping, whether it's from a store or you're just scrolling products online, it's never the product knowledge that you have that gets you to buy that product. I mean, of course, you need to have the product knowledge so you know exactly what you need, or whether it's even meeting your needs or not. But what really gets you to buy that product from that specific store or that specific website is the opinion of the general public about it. Now that is something that really gets you to trust the company. So let's start with that. OneStream Live has been offering services to so many diverse categories of content. It includes news channels like BBC, some kids content like Disney and Cartoon Network, and some informative channels, even Discovery, have been our loyal customers for years now. As much as we love and value every single one of our customers, why am I mentioning their names here? The point is to get you to think about it that these are not the kind of names that would ever compromise on the quality of the content that they are providing. So if they can get to trust us, surely you can too. Now let's dive into some of the success stories here, including that of Rachel Hall. Rachel Hall is the sales director of Mary Kay Cosmetics, and she has been using OneStream Live for her virtual parties and even her one-on-one consultations. Now what Rachel has to say about OneStream Live, let's hear it in her own words.
My experience with OneStream has been amazing. From start to finish, it's very user-friendly. It gives you a flawless presentation. And it gives you a lot of confidence in this virtual world that you can reach more people.
Now another one of my favorite is Brittany Sherrill. Brittany is a business coach and an author who has been really struggling with consistency. OneStream Live's pre-recorded streaming feature helped her out with her consistency and sorted her issue once and for all. And here is what Brittany says about OneStream Live.
OneStream Live is like a studio in a box, so to speak. Without having a large team, you can still produce content as if you're in a video production.
These guys have so much stuff to say, and there are so many stories. I mean, I wish I could just sit here the entire day and talk about these. But let's just hear one more before we wrap up and move to the next step. Next up, we have Richard Barker. Richard is a world-renowned professional hypnotist and comedy stage entertainer. Now, let's quickly hear out how OneStream Live impacted Richard's business.
My experience with OneStream Live would be simplicity and consistency. It never fails, so it's consistently, persistently good. So it works right out the box.
Now, if you could just go to OneStream Live's review platforms or maybe on their website, you're just gonna hear so many of these stories that you will definitely be convinced. Alright, we're not done just yet. I have one last very special segment for you guys before we wrap this up. So if you do decide to join OneStream Live, whenever you do, I would like to share some best practices and tips that have been personally very helpful to me as a person, so why not share it with you guys as well. So the first thing is the quality of your video. Nobody likes videos who are lagging, have audio issues, or any kind of quality compromise at all. So how OneStream Live steps in here is that they are going to provide you some recommended settings every time you're about to stream. So even if you're a newbie at it and you might not have much knowledge about videos and streaming, they have got you covered. These recommended settings will make sure that your video goes up seamlessly. And on top of that, if you're someone who has internet issues, not at all a problem, because you can use their pre-recorded feature to stream your videos ahead of time and they'll just be as good as live. Now the second thing here is to really engage with your audience. OneStream Live's live chat feature will help you start conversations, respond to comments, and you can engage with your audience in real time and have a very interactive conversation with them. Now what's a better way to connect with your people out there? Third, you can invite some guests over in your streams as well. Inviting some well-known names in your streams will actually help you gain integrity much more faster. You will be heard and you will be trusted. Next up, add some diversity into your content by adding captions. That makes your content available for anybody and everybody out there. No language barriers and no more struggling to be heard. OneStream Live will allow you to add those captions to your videos. And always end your streams with a call to action, whether you're inviting them to subscribe to your channel, follow you on Instagram, follow you on Facebook, or whatever platform you're trying to promote. Now what makes it easier for you is the overlay feature in OneStream Live. It'll make your text more prominent and people will know exactly what you're trying to sell out there. Now the promotion of your streams, super easy. You can make an announcement before going live so that people get notified ahead of time and they do not miss it out. And even if they do miss it out, OneStream Live has got your back here. You can record your streams and make them available for watching later so that your audience never misses out on any of your streams. I mean, how easier could that get? The before and after promotion of your streams is completely handled by OneStream Live so that you never have to take help from any other platform at all. Alright, then let's wrap this up. It was really incredible connecting with you guys and telling all of these stories. Trust me, I've been really wanting to share all of this. I hope everything that was shared with you guys would be enough motivation for you to really make up your mind about OneStream Live. For more information, please do follow us on our social handles. You'll find all kinds of updates in there, some fun content, some interactive content, and some super informative content as well.
We thank our partner OneStream Live for hanging out with us and giving you guys those tools and tips for you to be able to reposition your brand to win your ministry or your business by using live stream. So thank you so much, Eva and Jade, for helping us out. We bless God for each and every last one of you. You guys, we'll see you later in Jesus' name. Amen. I hope those tips was empowering for you.